This is Mr. Sitnor, and Mr. Sitnor been sitting in that seat and ain't did nothing about defending my constitutional rights, my right to property. Sitnor been protecting white supremacy in Baltimore County. You feel me? Sitnor, the Baltimore City, the Baltimore County delegation. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Anthony McCarthy, WEEA Radio, Dr. K, Mark Steiner. Yeah, everybody at WEEA Morgan State, the Morgan State University, you had this. It's making a documentary. That's Governor Hogan. And I'm getting ready to show y'all's hidden assets behind mass incarceration. This is the United States Senate, all right? That's Governor Blagojevich. If Blagojevich can go to jail, you got 52 members of the Democratic Party and Republican Party that can go to jail. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. That's Senator Ben Cardin. That's Senator Ben Cardin. That's Johnny Oleski. That's Kwai Sanfome. That's Spike Lee, and that's Michelle Alexander. And that's Pastor Dante Hickman. The doors of the church is open. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. That's Senator Smith. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. And that's Mr. Malcolm Ruff. See the date? February the 2nd, 2011 at 8:53 a.m. I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger, Greg Bernstein, and Governor O'Malley's mom machine. It's 90 days of session. You kidnapped me from my mother. You stole me from my family. You feel me? Y'all cancel Annapolis night, but that ain't gonna cancel what I'm gonna do to y'all. I'm making a movie and a documentary about how you represent us and how you protect white supremacy. I gave this to Pastor Heber Brown. I gave this to Kathleen Pugh. I gave this to all our elected officials. I'm the cook in Baltimore. Never bite the hand that feeds you. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. That's Kathleen Hughes, TV One, Radio One. You feel me? That's Judge Bell and Doug Colbert from the Maryland School of Law. You feel me? That's the Baltimore City Police Department. That's Ivan Bates. And that's Miss Wells from the Supremes. That's Shorty Pull Your Mask Up and the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. That's Mary Washington. All right, that's John Leahy from the Senate. That's Catalina Bird when she ran for office. That's me at my store. All right, and we talking about the money behind mass incarceration. Racism don't work without black cooperation, but it ain't gonna end without white participation. These are my supporters, all right? And if you go directly to Vanessa Attenberry, she got everything. Our elected officials been covering up and protecting white supremacy. You want to scare of Donald Trump? Well, I was lynched. I was lynched by you. That's who I'm scared of. You feel me? That's who I'm scared of, a lynching. That's Martin Luther King's porch. Like I said, I applied for his job. That's Dr. Karson. That's a movie release. All right? That's a movie release. And that's Speaker Jones. These is our elected officials. And that's 2026. You're talking about public accommodations, the right to access your courts. I'm a whistleblower. That's 2015. And that's everybody involved. That's Kwai Sanfome. And these is your elected officials. These are the ones that protect white supremacy in Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and the state of Maryland. These are your elected officials. So Catalina, everything that I've been doing is on social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. That's me and Ed Mulatullo. And that's the Creative Alliance, Art and Activism, the art of protest.